Hey, I'm Spears is making a new video. It's been a while, but it was better to do. Let me turn this down. So y'all say y'all can hear me. Really, I have nothing that I'm gonna be. There's nothing like I meant doing this video, but just play Jupiter, Florida in my private server. So. Yeah, I haven't been making videos in a while because I haven't been like, oh yeah, just go with it. But yeah, I just haven't been making videos in a while because of school and all that stuff. So, yeah. I'm gonna try and make as much videos or as many videos as I can through the summer. And really, it's really what I'm gonna try and do. There's really nothing else to say. But thank y'all for all watching my videos. And all those, like, funny, like, Minecraft videos. If you think they're funny, I really don't care if you think they are or not. They're kind of stupid. But yeah, we're going to be playing Jupiter, Florida by ourselves. I don't know what to do. Or by ourselves. Should we go fishing? Tell me. Just tell me. Okay. Well, we're gonna... I really don't know what to do. I'm thinking... Should we do? Thinking... Fishing? I'll do fishing. Let's reset. Oh yeah, I already got my boat and truck spawned in over here. So yeah, I kind of went fishing with my friend not long ago. I'm gonna ask you a question. Please like and subscribe. Please. That'd be nice. Very nice. And if you don't, I really don't care. Just please like and subscribe. It helps me make more videos. It motivates me to make more videos. So, if you do that, I might be able to make another video. And I should probably take my So we're going to go put our boat into the water. And bear with me, I'm playing on mobile still. I could be playing on PlayStation 4, but or PS4. So we're gonna just go put the boat in the water. We're gonna go fishing. I'm gonna show you a little Easter egg in the game if you haven't seen it. And tell me, if you like the video, that will just tell me you want more Jupiter, Florida Roblox. I will probably post this game a lot, because it actually is very fun. So, yeah. So it'll be probably one of those phases I have of Roblox games. One time it was Cruise Ship Tycoon. Another time it was Greenville. First time it was actually, Brookhaven, because Brookhaven was my most viewed videos. Well, videos, not shorts, on this channel. What would it be? 12? What is it? Sorry if it's gonna take a minute. I don't know how this game works with its admin commands. Must be this then. I don't know. Really, I don't care. I'm gonna just leave my truck like that, so whenever I'm done fishing, I can just bring the boat into the trailer. like a nice boat engine. Well, I'm gonna go show you a Easter egg. I'm gonna cut this part out because it's gonna take a few minutes. But yeah. Okay, I am back, and we're at the place where we will be fishing, but I want to show you an Easter egg. A guy up there. There's a guy up here. He's on a float. It's a Mexican, I think. No, I'm not gonna. Yeah, I think it's Mexican. Okay, well, we're just gonna park up under this bridge. And the video will come back whenever we get something good, or whenever we get back to land. So, goodbye for now. Oh yeah, man, we just finished fishing. And I didn't really get anything big, but I did get a whole bunch of fish. It's been a while. It's been like 4 or 5 in-game days. Let's get back to the first place. It's sad fish. Yeah. And we'll see how much money we make, because I have hundreds, maybe almost to 1,000 fish in my inventory right now. Hopefully I get a whole bunch of money. Let's go. You can already see I got one of these. I don't know what that is. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Scammer. Well, that is sad. We got scammed. We literally got scammed. Well, guess this is where I'm gonna end this video off. Okay. Well, yeah, I guess this is where I'm going to end this video off. Thank you for watching. Have a great day / evening, and good night to everybody. Or good morning. And bye.